If you want to remove text from videos in CapCut, whether it's a text overlay or text sitting in the corner of your clip, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to remove text from your video inside CapCut, step by step, so you can clean up your edit and keep your footage looking professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open your project in CapCut and make sure you're on the timeline where the text appears. If the text is an overlay that was added as a separate text layer, this is the easiest fix. Just tap directly on the text block in your timeline. Once it's selected, look for the delete or trash icon and tap it. As soon as you remove that layer, the text disappears from the video completely. This is the cleanest method because it deletes only the text, while leaving the rest of your clip untouched. If you don't see a separate text layer, that usually means the text is part of the original footage itself. In that case, you won't be able to delete it like a normal overlay. But there is still a workaround you can use inside CapCut. Select the video clip on your timeline, then tap the Edit option. From there, choose Crop. This lets you adjust the visible frame of your video. Now carefully drag the borders in until the text is cut out of the shot. Once you're happy with the framing, confirm the crop. Keep in mind that cropping will remove part of the image, so use it only when the text is sitting near the edge of the frame, or when you can afford to zoom in a little without ruining the composition. If needed, you can also change the aspect ratio to better fit your final layout. That can help you hide unwanted text, while still keeping the video looking good for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. So to recap, if the text is a CapCut overlay, just delete the text layer from the timeline. If the text is baked into the video itself, use crop or adjust the aspect ratio to remove it from view. That's the fastest way to remove text from videos in CapCut without overcomplicating the edit. If you found this useful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.